Hello everyone, welcome back to Delicious. Back again after a month. So today I thought of making cupcakes. Hope you all will enjoy it. So let's start on it. You will need 2 grams of milk powder, 2 grams of baking powder, 19 grams of water, 80 grams of egg, 70 grams of sugar, 80 grams of margarine and 100 grams of flour. So let's first start by sieving the baking powder, flour and the milk powder to get rid of stones and dirt particles which are there in the flour, and also to combine all the ingredients together. Make sure to sieve it thrice. Now let's begin on the batter. So first add your margarine and sugar and beat it until it's creamy. When the color of the batter turns to off-white, then it's beaten enough. Make sure the margarine is at room temperature so that it's easy to beat and also the batter doesn't get curdled. This is how the consistency should look when the sugar and margarine is beaten enough. Now start adding the eggs little by little. It's better to add the eggs in 4 batches. That's because the batter doesn't get crumbled when you add the eggs little by little. The first batch of eggs and beat it for about 3 minutes, and then again add the second batch of eggs and continue so on for 4 times. Now after adding the eggs in 4 batches, this is how it will look. The batter is not curdled. Now finally fold the batter with flour and water. Fold it in 3 batches. Add a little bit of water and a little bit of flour and fold it in the batter. Continue it for 3 times. Now this is the final consistency when you add all the ingredients. This is how the batter looks when all the ingredients are added. Now fill a piping bag with the batter. In the meanwhile, preheat your oven to 185 degrees Celsius for about 10 minutes. Now fill the cupcake cups with the batter. Each cup should weigh 50 grams. Shake the tray a little bit to release all the air bubbles trapped inside the batter. Now bake the cupcakes for about 30 to 35 minutes at 185 degrees Celsius. Now this is how it looks after it's baked. Thank you everyone for watching this recipe. Try it at home and let me know how it turned out. Don't forget to subscribe and give a thumbs up, and don't forget to follow me on Instagram and Facebook. The links are in the description.